Welcome to Slide Egg. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a looping PowerPoint presentation, and it's super easy. First, open up your PowerPoint presentation. Now, look at the top menu and click on the Transitions tab. From here, you can pick any transition effect you like. I'll go with the fade transition for this demo. Once you've made your choice, click the Apply to All button so that every slide has the same transition. Next, let's set the timing for the slides. Select all your slides again and look to the right corner where you'll see the After option. This is where you can change the time delay for the slides to automatically move to the next one. I'm going to set mine to 1 second. Now, let's check how it looks. Go to the Slide Show tab and start the presentation. You'll see the slides transitioning, but once it gets to the end, it just stops. So, no looping yet. Let's fix that. Head back to the Slide Show tab and this time, click Set up Slideshow. A panel will pop up. In that panel, find the option that says Loop Continuously until Escape, and click it. Then hit OK. Alright, now let's run the slideshow again. As you can see, the slides keep looping continuously without stopping. And that's it. You've just created a looping PowerPoint presentation. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful.